Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, July 18th. Well, we've seen some sellers in this Nasdaq market. The issue is behavior over the next 2 days. I think we can get a bounce before the week's out. This does imply unchanged lower. It did trade below its bearish level. Magnitude change here is $400 a contract. And again, I'm not looking for a big day to the downside in that market. Let's move on to the dollar. What do we see here in these currencies? I think the one I'd really like to highlight to you is the Swissy. Here you have a benchmark candle. It's what I call a non-symmetrical pullback. I'm looking for an up day on Thursday in the Swissy. Now, interest rates. What do we see happening there? And I think what we see happening here is what should be happening. The notes traded above its bullish level, and you got to compare the top red line to that line. The magnitude change in that market is $1,000 a contract, and I do look for a little bit of follow through to the upside in the Asia session, but I'm not looking for a dramatic move to the upside, basically an unchanged type movement. Same thing here in bonds. The magnitude change between that bearish level and this bullish level is $2,250 a contract, and again, not looking for a dramatic move out of that market. But you know, the metal that really interests me now is that it started to firm up here, and that's gold. This is a nice move, but not a strong move. Tomorrow, I should say Thursday, is really important if this is going to give us follow through. We wouldn't want to see it trading below 1420. But I'm looking for basically an inside to only slightly higher move in that market. Well, what about nat gas? This is also a market that's gotten low enough that it could be in transition. If buyers are here, we should see them on Thursday. Otherwise, look for a sideways move to continue. And in the grains, let's talk about our friend Mr. Bean. This is bullish level's been tightened up a bit. It does imply a move to the downside, but this structure overall has all the features of a market that could turn the corner. So I think we have to be cautious on the short side. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.